Hey everybody, I'm Logan Alec. I'm a CPA. I own Choice Tax Relief. And one of the things that we do for many of our clients is get them caught up on their back tax filings, get them caught up on their tax returns. We have a lot of folks who come to us. They haven't filed taxes in 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, maybe even decades. And we figured out how to discreetly get them back in compliance. We're able to pull all their IRS records from their transcripts, do some reconstructing if necessary, and put together transcripts that will not get them, or tax returns that will in all likelihood not get them audited. That being said, I made a video called Here's What You Should Do If You Haven't Filed Taxes in 20 Years. Links to that video at the top of the screen. On that video, Timothy Gotcher, 2240, asks, what would you do if you haven't filed in 20 years, but you've paid taxes the whole time, weekly deductions from your paycheck? Should you just contact H&R Block and let them file your back filings? Timothy, I would not pay H&R Block or anybody else to file all those 20 years. Now, there's some exceptions. Okay. States might have done an SFR for you. They're still going after you if your state has a 20-year collection statute. Okay. But if your state and if the IRS aren't going after you about these unfiled years, especially given the fact that you're a W-2 employee who has taxes taken out of your paycheck, I would gander that you're probably paid in tax-wise for all these years. As a matter of fact, you were probably owed a refund for these years if you had filed your returns on time, right? That's it. What do you do now? Now, those are assumptions there. They may be wrong. But under those assumptions, I would say, look, if you really want to have a clean conscience with your taxes, get fully back in the system, be considered compliant from an IRS return delinquency standpoint, file the last 6 years. So that right now, that'd be 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay. But realistically, I might just tell you to start with the last 4 years. So that'd be 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay. Because those are the only years, and I'm recording this in February 2025. Those are the only years that right now you can still get a refund for. Because you have 3 years from the date, the original due date of a return to file your return and get a refund for that year, and extensions do count. Okay. So, for your 2021 tax year, if you didn't get an extension, the original due date was in April 2022. You'd have until April 15, 2025 to get that refund. Okay. So I would prioritize that one. I would probably start there with 21, 22, 23, 24 returns. And if you're getting refunds for all those years, you could file 19 and 20 for kicks if you want. You'd probably be in a refund position for those years as well, but you're not going to get them because they're past the refund statute of limitations. That's frankly what I would say you should do. In terms of who you should use, frankly, I'd say you should use Choice Tax Relief. We have great tax preparers. Unlike H&R Block, we will pull your transcripts. We'll see if you're eligible for any, how much stimulus you received, and if you aren't eligible, or if you didn't get some stimulus payments, we'd make sure we claim the recovery rebate credit for you. Wage and income transcripts to make sure no items are missed. When you go to H&R Block, and it's kind of a mixed bag in H&R Block. One of my preparers used to work there. They're only going to take what you give them. Okay, they're not going to pull your transcripts for you to make sure that you report everything on your transcripts so that, the IRS doesn't come knocking and say, hey, you underreported income. Here's a CP 2000. Thank you very much. Okay. Obviously I'm biased because I own the company Choice Tax Relief, and, I would love your business. You seem like a thoughtful individual, who wants to come clean with their unfiled tax returns, Timothy. That's also my dad's name and my brother's name. So, anyway, so that's my, that's my 2 cents, not knowing much more about your situation than what you put in your comment, Timothy. If you'd like to schedule free consultation with us, or if you're in Timothy's position, similar situation, you want to talk to somebody about it, give us a call, Choice tax relief 866-8000-TAX. That's 866-8000-829. Or you can go to choicetaxrelief.com, fill out the form on the website. We will reach out to you. I have some other videos here on the left-hand side of the screen regarding what you should do if you have multiple years of unfiled tax returns. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.